Hello everyone, myself Sangeeta. I have cleared NTA UGC NET LS December 2023 in Environmental Sciences. I would like to thank Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir, Manisha Sharma ma'am, Sumit sir and the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation for their wonderful guidance during my preparation journey. The whole team of faculty member teaches so well each and every topic from basic to advanced level, and that too linking each and every concept with the other, which aids in developing and building the concept of each and every chapter. 11 kg material the coaching provides, which includes 4 color booklets, 2 supplementary booklets, 1 Gilbert Master soft copy for paper 2, 1 KVS Madan soft copy for paper 1, segregated assignments which includes previous year question from 2023 till 2012 and with their selected solutions. And though I have cleared an NET LS December 2023, I am preparing for JRF June 2024 from A.S.S Science Foundation. Thank you A.S.S Science Foundation for enlightening our knowledge by your wonderful guidance. Thank you.